Energy, it's what drives humanity, and more likely than not, we use fossil fuels from below the Earth's surface as the primary source of energy. Unfortunately, a byproduct of fossil fuel combustion is carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas that is choking the planet as we speak. Carbon capture and storage, known as CCS, offers a solution to this problem as it allows us to continue to use carbon emitting sources of energy without actually emitting any carbon into the atmosphere. And today we're going to be covering CCS technology and policy. First, what is CCS? Well, it's a three-step process. The first step is capturing carbon dioxide before it reaches the atmosphere. Secondly, the carbon is transported to a processing facility, most commonly via pipeline, before finally being stored in depleted subsurface geological reservoirs. Now, let's zoom in on capture technologies a bit more. The three most popular capture methods are post-combustion carbon capture, which captures carbon dioxide right after the fuel is combusted; pre-combustion capture, which involves separating carbon dioxide from the fuel prior to its combustion; and finally, oxy-fuel combustion capture, which involves burning the fuel in pure oxygen to make the separation process much easier. And of these methods, post-combustion capture is the most widespread since it can easily be retrofitted into pre-existing power plants or facilities. Now, let's switch gears and talk about CCS US policy. The Department of Energy, aka the DOE, has been funding CCS since 1997, with an official roadmap later being created as part of the Energy Policy Act of 2005. CCS incentives first started in 2007 when the US announced tax benefits and programs that covered 30% of CCS retrofitting costs. In the following decade, the DOE put over $10 billion of funding towards CCS. And in 2021, the SCALE Act introduced the first ever bill that focused on enhancing CCS infrastructure. All of this shows how much the US is backing CCS as a viable method that will help to achieve the nation's goal of carbon neutrality by 2050. However, to help reach that goal, I have a few policy proposals that I would like to make. The first is a policy that requires the retrofitting of post-combustion capture technology in existing plants before a certain date, let's say 2030 or 2040. And this is due to the fact that post-combustion capture technology can easily be retrofitted in current plants as previously mentioned. Secondly, I would like to propose that the DOE could fund the advancement of oxy-fuel combustion capture technology. This is because oxy-fuel combustion capture is the cleanest carbon capture method as well as the most efficient. Lastly, I would like to propose the alteration of the 45Q tax credit to allow claims for more than the first 12 years for direct air capture technology. This is to incentivize companies to utilize direct air capture technology in their facilities. Thank you.